guys, Karina Gardner here, and today I'm going to show you how to put together this elegant pumpkin. I'm going to be putting it on my tabletop. If you are looking for freebies, then you need to join my Silhouette VIP group. I send out a freebie every single week along with tutorials, so that's super fun. And this particular item can be found in my Silhouette shop. Okay, let's get started here. So the first thing you'll notice is that there are notches in the bottom of this on purpose, so that we can glue these pieces together. So what we're going to do is start by gluing these pieces into the notches just to make your life easier, because I mean, you don't necessarily need these notches, they're just for placement. So I'm going to start by doing that. Okay, last one. So now what we're gonna do is you're gonna glue, there's this little piece here, it has a tab on the top and the bottom. More than anything, this is a guide just to make sure you really center everything, because otherwise it gets off. I have done this a couple of times, so it does get off. So this is a guide to help you. So you're just gonna start by gluing a little bit on the top of this and place your first, I'm calling them petals, but it's just, you know, the edge of the pumpkin. And then you're just gonna work your way around, or you can come to the other side just to make sure it's even. In fact, that's what I'm gonna do so that I show you a way that will ensure that it's relatively even here for you, okay? So then we're gonna come over to the opposite sides. So you can see how we're kind of keeping it all super even here, or as best we can. If you were looking for perfection, you were probably in the wrong business. I love paper crafting because it should look a little bit custom or a little bit homemade. There we go. You can see it's just making this nice little kind of bowl effect. And if you see others of these in stores, in my store, it's just different designs. Okay, there you go. Okay, so you should get this wonderful little ball that has, I mean, I'm calling it a ball. It's not a ball, but just like this really wonderful little shape that should be really, really cute. Okay, so we're going to add a stem to the top. So decide sort of how you're going to face it forward. There should be a little bit score line in there, but if you don't see one, you can just push down a little bit and glue it and create one. And then same with this. This is just meant to go on however you want. I'm going to glue mine directly onto the stem like that. And then I gave you 3 leaves, but of course you can use more than that. Just finger press them a bit so you can get some dimension out of them and place them wherever you like. I like 3, it's an odd number. You get an interesting look with 3, so you can see kind of what I'm doing here. You can put them on the vine, you can put it on the pumpkin itself. It's just your choice. So there's mine all finished. You can glue yours. I'm not sure if I love this one down here. Do you like how I'm changing it? That is the beauty of the project like this. I think I want it up at the top. And that's it. Okay, I hope you have fun making this. Make sure and subscribe to the channel, and you can join my Silhouette VIP group for free if you're looking for free files every week. I send them, and you can get that at karinagardner.com. Okay, see you guys.